stainless steel and different types of stainless steel. And I didn't even know there was a different type of stainless steel. I thought it was just stainless steel, but who knows, whatever. So I sat there, and then finally, all of a sudden, they look at me and they ask the question, does that gearing ratio sound good to you? And I'm like, sure, yeah, that's a good, I think that'll take care of it. Because I have no idea what they're talking about still. Because I'm there for quality, thinking they're going to say, what's the viscosity of this final product supposed to be? Not a clue. They didn't ask any of that. But they were happy, so they left. I come back with the senior engineer, and we're sitting there, and she looks at me, and she goes, did you understand everything? And I had to be honest with her. I go, no, I didn't. And this is when she did the most powerful leader move. She stopped and said, why don't we take some time and sit down here and study what we've went over today, so we can answer our questions, not my questions, so that I didn't look stupid, but our questions, so that we could move forward and we could learn from one another. So how do we combat these things? You know, feeling stupid and not being able to understand. Well, one is Maxwell Disk. Maxwell Disk is a program, some of you are probably very familiar with this. Maxwell Disk is a program that allows us to actually learn how to communicate with one another. It allows us to learn how that person wants to be communicated with. One of the key things of it is that we speak to them